All right, good morning everybody. Here we are today. It's a Friday in December. It's been windy for about 5 to 6 days. Barely been able to sneak out. I sneaked out once between that, but we're launching today out of Bokeelia, here out of Carmen's Kayaks, which is Knight's Landing here. $5 fee here for each kayak you launch. That includes your parking, and it has bathroom facilities, and it has a hose right here that you can hose off your kayak right after you're done, so you don't have to wait till you get home to do that. So if you guys need a rental kayak and you don't want to come fishing with us, this is definitely the place to come get one. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. All right guys, so we're out in the water now. I got some live shrimp today. I got some frozen shrimp today. I want to find some sheep's head. I want to find some snapper, something to bring home, especially sheep's head. So that's the goal, guys. I want to use some shrimp, catch some sheep's head. There's a few places here where I've caught them in the past. The best place is being, I can't go out there. It's a little too windy. Maybe the winds calm down a little later. I might be able to go on the outside, but I'm stuck to the inside of it today. And you know, again, still looking for reds, snook, and trout like always. But I'd like to see if I can get into some snapper or some mangrove, or some mangrove snapper or some sheep's head. So we'll see what happens, guys. So right now, trolling a paddle tail. We'll be primarily using this guy today as an artificial, and we're trying out these Indigo Mafioso. It's a different color from Wise Guys Tackle. And we'll see. Again, guys, if you guys are interested, Jupiter Kayak 10 will get you 10% off on all Wise Guys Tackle products on their website. So we'll see what happens. See you guys soon. Nope. Oh, came off. There we go. We got something. Man, what's going on here? Got some action with the shrimp, but I lost them. Came off twice. Let's see. There we go. We got one fish on finally. Sure it's a trout. It's a keeper trout. Beautiful color. She's very silver. Very good, decent trout, guys. Not a bad one at all for the first fish of the morning. Thank you, buddy. Okay. All right. First fish. This is a nice keeper trout. This is a speckled trout, guys. That's a 1/0 circle hook to 25-pound leader. That's about 2.5 feet on a 4 horseman popping cork. Cast it out there. Kind of floating on its own right now. Just letting it do its thing. Trying to keep very little slack on it just so I can pop it if I need to. And that way it gives me less to reel up once I have a fish on. Alright. No action on that one. Oh, there he goes. Right on the pop, guys. Another trout, little guy. He's smaller. He's definitely not a keeper. I'm not keeping trout today. Just had some redfish last night for dinner. It was delicious. blackened redfish. There we go, another little guy. They get bigger. Let's see. You can almost see contrails of what I've covered. So I just worked my way from right to left. You can see it. Now just hitting some different angles, just making sure, especially way back in there. Wise Guys Tackle 3.75 Bambino, the Indigo Mafioso. Alright, this is the first time I've tried this color, guys. So, we'll see. It's dark, it's got some blue in there. And just trying it out, guys. See how well it does. I try to stay with natural-ish looking colors. Figure this dark would be good for looking like mullet. And there is some mullet popping around here. I have a feeling there's gonna be someone here. So there we go. There's the setup. I'll put some Procure here, just down the middle of this slit here. So there was a bird sitting on this little area, and there's kind of a little cubby here. I don't know, looks a little fishy to me. So definitely stopped here. Bird right on that tree. Hey, looking in there, right? There's a little pocket in there. There's somebody in that little hole. Let's see. Let's see if I'm right. Like he was standing on that little perched up, probably looking at someone right there. Wow. I told you guys there was a bird perched up there, and he was looking straight down, and he flew away as soon as he saw me. And that's why I said sometimes the birds will show you the way. And there he goes, quick release. All right, it is slow. It is now about 10:30. I've been fishing now for 2.5 hours. I've caught 2 trout and 1 snook. Very slow morning. I haven't even seen fish. I spooked 1 maybe small red, but couldn't really tell. But that's it. We're still waiting for the water to come in. It's coming in very slowly. I still got another about 1.5 hours of incoming tide. So you know, that should change things up a little bit, but very slow morning. So no sheep's head, no snapper, just very rough morning. So we're gonna keep at it though. I do have some shrimp, so I'm gonna start maybe power fishing with some shrimp on a popping cork, since it is so slow right now. Instead of working the paddle tail, that tends to slow me down, but it tends to get more bites. So we'll see what happens. That's interesting. That's someone out here living. I haven't seen that here back, you know, like ever, so that's new. outside trying to fish some outer islands here, seeing if there's any action out here. Big old grass flats with some pockets here and there. There's some sand, so sometimes there's reds out here. We're gonna see if we can find the red for the slam. And I've even seen sheepshead out here before, so we'll see what happens. Here we go. There's a red. Let's see if there's some more here, guys. He might be slot too. And maybe not. Close. Alrighty. The water is cold. Alright, so got that in there. Never forget. I got a rod back here. I need to bring this up before something happens. There we go. Throw that out there. Okay. Chilling in the water. Oh yeah. No color. There he is. A little undersized probably, but let's see. Under. Okay, he's so cold. He's 17 all day. Oh, 17-inch red for the slam. There he goes. Another trout. Good one. He's close to keeper, guys. Oh, I haven't even needed my pliers today. First time. It's got it in the bottom of his mouth. There we go. There we go. Well, still slow. Caught that red. Worked the islands out there. Nothing. So besides that red, thought there'd be a little more action over there. Didn't work it as much as I wanted to. I didn't like the conditions, how it looked over there. I remember last time I was there, what the water was doing, nowhere near that. So just skip that part. I'm heading sort of kind of back, maybe. I'm not sure yet. I might go and hit a few of the docks that are out here. Just depends how I'm feeling once I get to the entrance. see if I'm tired, if I want to keep going or not. So there's a chance the sheep's head over there though, so probably gonna go over there. Depends how much fishing I do on the way over there. I have seen sheep's head and caught sight casted sheep's head over here before, so I'm hoping I can get into that again. But if not, we'll just we'll see what happens and see what's going on, what the ocean gives me. See you guys in a little bit.